The Canal Toys Photo Creator camera combines a child-friendly digital camera, instant printer, and video recorder in one sturdy, compact device that is easy to carry with the included wrist strap. Its dual front and rear lenses, along with a color liquid crystal display screen, make it simple for kids to frame regular shots or selfies and immediately see what they are capturing. The thermal printing system uses economical paper rolls instead of ink or film, allowing children to print hundreds of black and white photos without worrying about cartridges or drying time. With a 12-megapixel sensor, solid 200 dots per inch print resolution, and the ability to save full-color digital files to a computer through the included cable, it balances fun with genuinely usable image quality. Built-in creative tools such as multiple filters, playful frames, markers, and a large assortment of stickers encourage kids to personalize their prints and turn them into decorations or small gifts. A rechargeable battery, straightforward controls, and durable design make this camera particularly well suited for parties, travel, and everyday play, where kids want quick keepsakes of their adventures.